A poem. The Tortoiseshell Cat by Patrick R. Chalmers. The tortoiseshell cat, she sits on the mat, as gay as a sunflower she. In orange and black you see her blink, and her waistcoat's white, and her nose is pink, and her eyes are green of the sea. But all is vanity, all the way. Twilight's coming and close of day, and every cat in twilight's gray, every possible cat. The tortoiseshell cat, she is smooth and fat, and we call her Josephine, because she weareth upon her back this coat of colors, this raven black, this red of the tangerine. But all is vanity all the way. Twilight follows the brightest day, and every cat in the twilight's gray, every possible cat. It's a nice one. It seems that in the first time around I left out the word "the" in "and every cat in the twilight's gray." I do apologize. There was your replacement. You can cut and paste that. And it's dedicated to my cat, Tinkerbell, who's not a tortoiseshell cat, but she's a great cat. Thanks for listening. I love you all. See you next time. Bye-bye.